guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Skype on the computer. You do a search at Google for Skype. Okay. And you select the first link that comes up. You're looking to install the free version of Skype. So you click on download Skype and it will take you to the next page asking you to save your file. Yeah. So after clicking on saving your file, it will take you through the necessary steps to get Skype on your computer. After installing Skype on the computer, this is how the current interface of Skype looks like. You're looking to add our contact to your contact. So you go to contact and you click on add a contact and you type in our my contact ID, which is DWASEDD, and Skype will automatically search for me. My name is Daniel Duase. So you basically add a short message and I will add you to our Skype group and I'll get in touch as quickly as possible and help you build a great business. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.